Today we're here at Cresswind Twin Lakes and I am here with Eddie. And Eddie, one of the great things about Cresswind is that you're able to really personalize and design your own home. And one of the areas where you can do that is your basement. And today we're here in this beautiful daylight basement. So talk me a little bit through about the design process here.
Well, you're 100% correct. Cresswind Georgia Twin Lakes has a simple recipe to choosing the correct community, building the ideal home, and personalizing that home with our special features like our design studio. At Cresswind, you can look forward to personalizing your daylight basement and your entire home with Kolter Homes on-site design gallery. Together, we'll guide you every step of the way in finding your perfect home site and choosing the floor plan that's right for you. Then our professional design consultants will help bring your vision to life. From flooring to lighting, you choose the finishes and features that make the new home uniquely yours, tailored to your taste and lifestyle.
And it's not just designing the inside of your home, but you actually can personalize the outside space as well, right?
That's true. Cresswind Twin Lakes, we do specialize in your outdoor living space, screen porches, extended patios, etc. And those personalization options apply to all the spaces in your new home, including the outside. Outdoor living spaces are tremendously popular right now, and our design team can help add some wonderful touches, like a covered or screened-in porch. Accordion glass doors are also a great way to integrate the inside of your home with the outdoor living. Whatever you choose, Cresswind's expert designers make personalization of your home a treat. Many of the home sites available here at Cresswind, Georgia even offer a flexibility of a daylight basement for even more space to expand your ideal home. These daylight basements provide direct access to your backyard, which means a convenient, light-filled space that expands your living and entertainment areas. The number of ways you can use this flexible space is limited only by your imagination. There's a space to create an amazing home office, a wine cellar, home theater, a great game room for you and your visitors, or arts and crafts that you've always dreamed of. Or maybe this space is better served as a private guest suite for when family comes to visit. The possibilities are truly up to you. Of course, your daylight basement can also be left unfinished, an option that's ideal for an incredible amount of additional storage. It also gives you a great opportunity to do what you'd like with this versatile space at a later date. If you're looking for a 55-plus community with a wide variety of new home options, plus an award-winning active adult lifestyle, you have to come and see Cresswind Georgia yourself. One visit to the 15 designer-decorated models here at Cresswind, Georgia will open your eyes to the many options and possibilities a daylight basement can add to your new home.
So if there's someone out there that wants to learn more about Cresswind and learn more about all the design opportunities here, what is the best way to do that?
We invite everyone to come see for themselves what Cresswind Georgia at Twin Lakes has to offer. Tour our models in person or online at cresswindgeorgia.com. Our Welcome Center is open daily, and our new home guides are here to guide you through the many new home options. If you're looking for a 55-plus community with a wide variety of new home options, plus an award-winning active adult lifestyle, you have to come and see Cresswind Georgia yourself. One visit to the 15 designer-decorated models here at Cresswind, Georgia will open your eyes to the many options and possibilities a daylight basement can add to your new home.
Well, Eddie, thank you so much for being here with me today. And to learn more about Cresswind and all of their design possibilities, check out Cresswind Georgia at Twin Lakes today.